Welcome back to Dinar Community, where insight meets integrity. For over a decade, we've stood alongside the global currency investor community, tracking the evolution of the Iraqi Dinar IQD, the Vietnamese Dong VND, and other emerging market currencies that carry the promise of economic transformation. And today, we bring you a headline that may mark the most pivotal turning point yet. Checkmark, this is not speculation. Checkmark, this is not rumor. Checkmark, this is not just a hopeful theory whispered in private forums. For the first time in recent memory, a major U.S. financial institution is now officially accepting Iraqi dinar for exchange, openly and publicly. That bank is none other than Chase. Studio microphone, section 1. The moment we've waited for, 1 o'clock to 3:30. Let's rewind for a moment. Think back to the years of silence. The endless forum threads. The skeptics. The dismissive headlines. The countless times people said, speaking head, one day, U.S. banks will recognize the Iraqi dinar. One day, the system will shift. Friends, that day is today. Verified sources now confirm that Chase Bank, one of the largest and most globally respected financial institutions in the United States, is officially processing exchanges of 25,000 and 50,000 Iraqi dinars notes. No more middlemen. No more overseas dealers with questionable spreads. This is bank-backed legitimacy, right here in the U.S. Let that sink in. Studio microphone, section 2. Why this matters, 3:30 to 6 o'clock. This isn't just another banking update. This is the first real step in mainstream U.S. acceptance of the Iraqi dinar, a currency long treated like a financial pariah. For over 20 years since Saddam Hussein's fall, the IQD has floated in limbo. Yes, it's technically tradable. But retail banks shut the door. Until now. Revolving light, this is Chase Bank, not a fringe institution. Revolving light, this is a regulated policy shift, not a pilot program. Revolving light, this is verified and under federal compliance, not a Reddit rumor. What's happening is not just a transaction. It's a statement. It tells the world. Green circle, Iraq's economic instruments are gaining traction. Green circle, the IQD is no longer being ignored. Green circle, and yes, a new era is beginning. Studio microphone, section 3. The banking domino effect, 6 o'clock to 8:30. Let's talk strategy. In finance, once one top-tier institution makes a bold move, the others take notice. You see, Chase isn't just a bank. It's a market mover. With over $3.9 trillion in assets, it operates in more than 100 countries and touches virtually every sector of global finance. When Chase acts, other banks follow. Upward trend Wells Fargo. Upward trend Bank of America. Upward trend Citi. Upward trend regional banks across the country. All eyes are now watching Chase's IQD policy rollout. If it proves efficient, secure, and profitable, which it likely will, a national shift could be next. Studio microphone, section 4. How to prepare to exchange, 8:30 to 10:30. Now, before you rush to your nearest Chase branch, here's what you need to know. Checkmark, step 1. Verify your notes. Check for the official CBI security features, color shifting ink, embedded holograms, visible watermarks, and polymer threads. Damaged or illegible notes may be rejected. Checkmark, step 2. Call ahead. Not all Chase branches may be immediately equipped to process IQD. Ask if your location handles foreign currency exchanges and if you'll need an appointment. Checkmark, step 3. Bring proper ID. A government-issued ID is required. Be ready to answer questions on how and where you acquired your dinar. This is standard AML, anti-money laundering protocol. Checkmark, step 4. Stay professional. This is a regulated financial process. The more organized and respectful you are, the smoother your experience will be. This is your moment. Make it count. Studio microphone, section 5. Why now? What changed in Iraq, 1030 to 1300? Let's address the bigger question. Why is this happening now, after 20 years of rejection? The answer lies in Iraq's evolution. Over the last 5 years, Iraq has Pushpin increased its foreign currency reserves. Pushpin reformed central bank operations. Pushpin strengthened anti-corruption efforts. Pushpin modernized note printing and security. Pushpin established new regional trade agreements. These changes aren't just cosmetic. They're the foundation for international re-entry. Chase's decision suggests that behind the scenes, Iraq has passed critical thresholds of financial trust. And that is no small feat. Studio microphone, section 6. Does this mean the RV is here, 1300 to 1530? Let's talk about the question everyone is asking. Megaphone, does this mean the revaluation is happening now? The honest answer, cross mark not yet, check mark, but this is a major milestone on the path toward that possibility. You see, revaluation requires shield a stable central bank, bar graph robust foreign reserves, globe international buy-in, bank institutional support. This Chase development checks at least 2 of those boxes. So, while today's news doesn't confirm a revaluation, it makes the concept credible. It moves the RV narrative from theoretical to tangible. So here's the million-dollar question. Do you exchange now, or hold out for something bigger? That depends on you. If you need liquidity, maybe to fund another investment, handle an emergency, or simply turn a speculative asset into cash, then exchanging now, while the channel is verified and open, may be the safest strategic option. But if you have the flexibility and patience to wait for a potential higher value scenario, perhaps tied to further CBI rate adjustments or broader international recognition, then holding could make sense. There's no universal answer, just one reality. For the first time in years, you now have a choice. This is bigger than one bank. It's bigger than one transaction. It's about the global re-emergence of Iraq, a country rich in resources, culture, and untapped potential. And the door to that future just opened a little wider today. We'll continue to monitor other banks, track updates from the Central Bank of Iraq, and bring you every credible development that shapes this unfolding story. Until then, stay informed, stay smart, and stay prepared. Speech balloon, drop your questions in the comments. Bell, subscribe and hit the bell to never miss an update. Loudspeaker, share this video with other Dinar holders. It's time everyone knows the wait might finally be over. This is Dinar Community, where currency meets credibility, and where your voice matters. Dinar Community, logo animation. Background music fades out.